If you are experiencing critical errors and your start menu is unresponsive, do not worry. We have a few effective solutions to help you resolve this issue. First, let us try restarting Windows Explorer. To do this, search for Task Manager in your Windows search bar and open it. Once Task Manager has loaded, which might take a moment, locate Windows Explorer in the list of running processes. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select the Restart option from the context menu. If the issue persists, the next step is to run a System File Checker scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. It is important to run this as an administrator, so right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the elevated Command Prompt window, type the command sfc:/scannow and press Enter. This command will scan your system for corrupted files and attempt to repair them. After running the System File Checker, it is a good practice to check for any pending Windows updates. Right-click on the Start button, then select Settings from the menu that appears. Navigate to the Windows Update tab in the Settings window. In the right pane, click on the Check for Updates button. Installing any available updates can often resolve software conflicts and errors. Finally, a simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. Right-click on the Start button again, select Shutdown, and Sign Out, and then choose Restart from the power options. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.